There is no relief for Brij Bhushan Singh in the sexual harassment case against him. Delhi High Court has refused to quash the case against the former WFI chief. Delhi High Court has questioned the timing of Brij Bhushan's plea that was filed in the court. Brij Bhushan has been accused of sexually harassing women wrestlers, and after that, after a lot of victims have come out in the open speaking about the sexual assault, the alleged sexual assault by Brij Bhushan Singh. Brij Bhushan had approached the Delhi High Court to quash the case against him. My colleague Tanushka is now joining us on the broadcast. She is getting us more details about this. Well, Tanushka, there seems no immediate relief for Brij Bhushan Singh in the plea that he had filed in the Delhi High Court to quash the case against him.
What we're understanding is that no relief has been given to former Wrestling Federation of India's president Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh in his case in the wrestler's sexual assault. The Delhi High Court has told Brij Bhushan's lawyer has given time to him, in fact, to submit a short note with all his contentions regarding the quashing of the case against him. What the court has also said is that they have an issue with the delay in Brij Bhushan's challenge to the proceedings, and pointing out that the trial has already begun and the charges have already been framed. So the court then asks Brij Bhushan's lawyer that if they wanted to challenge the FIR that was against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, then why is it that they did not do so earlier when the FIR or the charge sheet was being filed? Why now? This is what the Delhi High Court says. And the Delhi police have also challenged the maintainability of Brij Bhushan's petition. What has happened now with this case is that with Brij Bhushan asking for a quashing of the case and the FIR filed against him in the wrestler sexual harassment case, the Delhi High Court has listed the matter for further hearing in September. So as of now, what we know is that there's been no relief to the former president of the Wrestling Federation of India.